Good afternoon. I'm Renee Palazzo, the principal at Pontigansett High School, and we welcome you to our school and we welcome you to our virtual tour. As you go through the building, please be reminded that although our facilities are beautiful and we hope you enjoy the tour, we are in a COVID space right now. So that's not how our typical classrooms are set up. We encourage lots of student work and lots of time together. But this school year, just like every other school, we are separated by rows and lots of tape. With that being said, though, please look past that at the wonderful experiences that our students have at our wonderful, wonderful facilities, and we hope you enjoy the tour.
Hi, I'm Michael Bonds, proud superintendent of Foster Gloucester Regional Schools, and I'd also like to extend my warmest welcome to you as you tour our facilities virtually. Pontigansett High School is truly an amazing place. And it is so because of our quality teachers, our student body, the kindness that everybody exerts towards each other, the really rigorous curriculum that we provide to educate children, academically, personally, and socially. But what makes Pontigansett special is also the quality of our facilities. We've really worked hard to continuously invest in the quality of the equipment here, the quality of our facilities and our infrastructure, to really create an environment that supports the high-quality curriculum and the high-quality teaching and learning that's generated by the lessons that our teachers produce. So we welcome you to our facilities. We hope that you enjoy them and really can envision your son or your daughter sitting here for the next 4 years and engaging and attending our school in such a wonderful environment that's conducive to learning. Thank you.
Pontigansett High School believes in educating the whole child. Our physical education and athletic facilities help advance this goal. The Field House provides a venue for our entire learning community to come together for school-wide celebrations, pep rallies, convocations, and other functions. It is also where we hold community events, such as our Wreaths Across America ceremony. This facility is used year-round for youth, student, and adult sports. Our newly expanded fitness center is a state-of-the-art facility. It includes a rubberized indoor turf and approximately $70,000 of cardio and weight training equipment. This equipment is complemented by CrossFit stations and suspension training with bands. Our fitness center is supervised after school by staff with expertise in strength and conditioning so that it may be used by athletic teams in and out of season. It is open to the entire student body with supervision to encourage a healthy lifestyle. The Library Media Center is the hub of our school and a gathering place for students during and after the school day. It offers a variety of areas for students to meet, study, and conduct research. There are counter height and regular height tables, presentation stations, outlets for charging laptops, 24 computer stations, and movable furniture for small group work and studying. Our EMT lab features a full-size replica of an ambulance, mannequins, stretchers, and other equipment to provide students with the foundation needed to earn college credits and multiple industry certifications. First responders co-teach EMT Health and Fitness Careers 4 course with Pontigansett teachers to provide students with the basic knowledge and skills of an emergency medical responder, which include prevention, evaluation, management, treatment, and rehabilitation of injuries. At the completion of the EMT Health Careers Pathway, students are eligible to take the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians examination once they reach the age of 18. Our visual arts pathway is supported by 4 separate classrooms. These facilities include ceramics, a dark room, graphics lab, and studio art classrooms. Students can choose between a focus in 2D design, drawing, or 3D design, including but not limited to ceramics. Students use these facilities to create award-winning original works of art, participate in conceptual discussions, critique each other's work, and prepare a portfolio of their best work as a capstone project. There is strong support for and appreciation of the arts in our school and community. In-class learning is supported by an arts club and a yearbook club. Our biomedical science labs offer cutting-edge equipment and instructional materials to support student learning. 3 separate labs support student learning in the biomedical science pathway. These lab facilities complement the labs that advance the student learning that occur in chemistry, physics, biology, general science, physical science, alternative energy, and environmental science. All of these facilities were renovated as a part of a building project. Students in our biomedical science pathway follow a 4-course sequence based on the Project Lead the Way curriculum used in high schools across the country. The engineering lab is used to teach the classes in the engineering pathway, including, but not limited to, Introduction to Engineering Design, Principles of Engineering, Aerospace Engineering, Digital Electronics, and Engineering Design and Development. Industry-recognized software and equipment support students' learning. This pathway has an active robotics team with 40-plus members that competes against schools throughout New England. Practicing professionals actively support the robotics team and our engineering pathway. This center is used to orient new students and to assist students and families with planning for college and careers. This room and our Professional Development Center are used to provide workshops for students and families on how to complete the Common Application, fill out financial aid forms, and assist with the college selection process. This facility is also used to process out-of-district students' applications and their families with the application process in order to attend Pontigansett High School and participate in a college and career pathway. The 2 rooms that comprise this lab space are used exclusively to teach the classes in our Computer Science and Information Technology pathway. 1 room is used for computer maintenance and repair. The lab facility was recently refurbished and includes new air conditioning units, tables, chairs, and state-of-the-art computers. The computers utilize dual monitors. One of the monitors is oriented vertically so that the students may review longer strands of code when programming. This lab is part of the Music and Performing Arts pathway. The backbone of this lab is a $60,000 investment in computers, digital musical equipment, and the full Pro Tools rigs, the industry standard software platform in the recording, film, and video game industries. Students use this equipment and software for digital audio recording, editing and production, sequencing, looping, composing, and sound design effects for radio, television, film, computer games, multimedia presentations, and websites. This air-conditioned lab provides a unique, high-end music technology facility for students to improve their musicianship. The music classroom and the adjoining chorus room are used to support the Music and Performing Arts pathway. This room was renovated and increased in size by more than 50%. The school community fully supports our award-winning Music and Performing Arts program. Over the past few years, we have invested more than $80,000 in new musical equipment, including full concert percussion, tubas, bassoons, and contrabass clarinet, among others. A separate piano lab complements these classrooms. This facility is for music and chorus student performances such as Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, and The Music Man. These extraordinary performances engage hundreds of students, staff, and community members. We recently added new stage curtains, new lights, a new soundboard, a presentation station, and refinished the stage floor. The auditorium also serves as a central location for assemblies, guest speakers, and for communicating information to our student body, parents, and community members. The materials and manufacturing pathway and the construction management pathways are supported by 2 separate laboratory facilities. These labs enable students to fabricate parts and finish products made from metal, plastic, wood, and other natural and fabricated materials. Students are able to cut, weld, and grind materials. Students design items using a 3D software program and use CNC machines that align with industry needs to manufacture items using a variety of materials. 4 years ago, more than $140,000 was invested to renovate this lab and purchase cutting-edge equipment. This year, we are investing $50,000 to replace and upgrade additional equipment. A 3rd lab is being constructed to support the growth of this program and the expansion of curricula offerings. There are 4 separate labs, 2 lab facilities, and 2 greenhouses associated with the Agriculture and Natural Resources pathway to help students explore plant and animal systems. Students learn about forestry, landscaping, greenhouse production, aquaculture, and animal science in these facilities. They also learn about the global impact of agriculture and the wide variety of careers available. Students explore concepts in wildlife management, animal science, habitats, hydroponics, aquaculture, water quality, and system management. Last year, we added an addition to the Animal Pathway Lab and purchased new equipment. We are also replacing and increasing the size of our greenhouse in 2021. Our business lab supports student collaboration on complex business concepts and projects. Students learn how to develop business ventures from ideas to reality, developing knowledge of fundamental business principles and essential professional and interpersonal skills. Advanced students operate our school store to learn how to schedule and train employees, run a small business, disseminate information in written and oral form, take inventory, advertise and market products, solve problems, become better decision makers, and become true professionals in the business world. An integral part of this class is the involvement of DECA, the Distributive Education Clubs of America. Our outdoor athletic facilities are used for physical education classes, extracurricular activities, and athletic events. In 2013, we replaced the track. In 2017, we constructed 6 tennis courts and a coach's walkway. We also replaced our bleachers, concession stands, press box, field lights, and renovated the outdoor restroom facilities. Our cross-country trail is widely considered to be the best in the state. For more than 17 years, we have hosted the state cross-country meet, and we host the New England Championships when they are held in Rhode Island. A fresh water pond on our campus allows us to incorporate kayaking as part of the physical education program. Our criminal justice program introduces concepts unique to the U.S. criminal justice system to provide the foundation for future study in the areas of law, safety, security, government, forensics, and public administration. The pathway features case studies, mock trial, role-playing, small group activities, and visual analysis activities. Students may earn college credits from Roger Williams University for successfully completing courses in this pathway. The cafeteria allows students and staff to interact in a friendly and informal atmosphere. There is both an upper cafeteria and a lower cafeteria with a wall of windows that provide natural light. Our friendly school lunch staff offers healthy entrees, deli sandwiches, a salad bar, and a number of items that can be ordered separately.
We hope you had the opportunity to enjoy our virtual tour and come away with the same positive experiences that we have about Pontiac High School. Our only regret is that you're not here in person to see what makes Pontiac so special. We do have caring and professional staff who really work hard to develop academic skills, deep foundational knowledge, and transferable professional skills. But one thing that really sets us apart is the kindness of our student body, that we really work on educating the whole child. We care about acceptance, we care about unity, we care about respect, we care about inclusion, and we try to instill those values into our children. And you'll see on our connector, the glass walls, that our students have really written those words up there with their own interpretation of what that means to them. So again, Pontiac is an amazing place, and we hope your children will be coming here and experiencing what makes us special and sets us apart from schools across the state. And there's going to be amazing 4 years for your children. We look forward to welcoming them into our doors. Thank you.